Joseph Ray Siniza and I am from Block V, and this is my good friend.
Hi, I'm Joe Marie Ketchon. I'm also from Block V, University of San Carlos in Calapan campus.
And we will teach you on how to make a project proposal. A project proposal is a written document expressing a solution and the whole plan of your project in order to address a particular problem. It is also known as statement of work, which is presented to an audience or a body who has the authority to address and solve the problem. This audience could be your school administration, community leaders, or any group of people whom you think would help you address the problem. The first thing that you need to do for a project proposal is to make the introduction or the background. In this part of the proposal, you will give an overview of the environment, area, or community which has the problem. You will identify the problem and ask questions, where and what context, and follow it clearly and direct to the point description of this problem. Problem statement. What is the problem? Then, you state your reasons for proposing the project, which is your objective or your rationale. Why is there a need for the project? In here is an example of an introduction of a project proposal. And so, after the introduction of your project proposal, we will make the body of the proposal.
And the second part you need to have in your proposal is the body of your proposal. And in this part, we'll discuss the 3 things needed to make the body of your proposal. And the first one is previous works that have been done related to the present project. And the second one, the methodology or the plan of the action you're going to make to address the problem, which includes the phases of the work plan and the amount of time needed to complete. And lastly, the budget that you will need for the entire project. In making the body of the proposal, be guided with these following questions. And here is an example of a body of the proposal.
Amount of time needed to complete. And lastly, the budget. Balik.
Ako ang body yun!
Ha?
Ako body
Oo,
na
di ba?